Welcome to my channel. The Ferrari Luce was unveiled, marking the brand's most significant model launch to date. This is not merely Ferrari's first electric car. It is also the first 5-seater Ferrari in history and only the second 4-door model following the Purosangue SUV. The Luce is powered by 4 electric motors, one on each wheel, making it the first all-wheel drive electric Ferrari. The performance figures live up to expectations for a car of this marque. Ferrari claims acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.5 seconds, from 0 to 200 km per hour in 6.8 seconds, and a top speed of 310 km per hour, despite a kerb weight of 2,260 kg. Thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel.